Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. If you are just stumbling across this video, I create lifestyle content as often as I can. I'm so glad that it's August and we're back into a routine with the kids. They're back in school, so hopefully I can lock down a schedule and give you guys updates because this summer was so jam-packed for us. I have so many hauls. My birthday's in the summer, our anniversary's in the summer. We traveled like crazy. So I have a lot of content that I have that I just need to produce and get out to you guys. So today is starting my first video of getting back in the groove of things, and we are starting off strong with an unboxing. So if you want to see exactly what is in this bag and get all the specs, all the information, I'm a very detail-oriented person, so I'm going to try and give you all the information that I possibly can. Then please consider subscribing to this channel, give this video a like, and comment down below if you are interested in this bag also, and continue to watch. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in with this particular bag. I wanted to get myself something for my birthday and I couldn't lock down exactly what I wanted. I happened to come across an email, I think from Telfar, that said that they were releasing this bag. And once I saw the color, I'm like, that is my birthday present. So I was there on release day and I was able to snag it. If you want information about the actual company, I'm here to deliver it to you. So Telfar, if you've been living under a rock, gained a lot of recognition. And I'd say around 2020, they are responsible for the It shopping bag. It is Telfar Clemens is the actual designer, and he is a Liberian American and created the house Telfar, and they have so many collaborations, so many great products. They definitely have like a cult following, Black owned business. So definitely wanted to support them, and their bags always sell out really fast. So if you see something, grab it when you can. So let me stop talking now that you know all about them. So Telfar did a collaboration with Melissa. If you are a millennial, then you know that Melissa was really big for jelly shoes back in like the 2000s. And so they released this collaboration and I am so ready to unbox it for you guys. Okay, so this is the huge box that it came in. I was not expecting it to be this big because I purchased the medium. So I was like, this box is huge, but this is exactly how it was delivered to me. As far as shipping time goes, I received this exactly 7 days, 7 consecutive days, not business days, exactly 7 days from the day that I purchased it. It was released, I want to say July 28th. I received it in my house August the 4th. Okay, here she is in all of her glory. You receive a dust bag. Go ahead and take that out and push that to the side. So you get a dust bag and on it says Melissa, and then it also says Telfar and has their logo right here. And let's go ahead and take her out. Is this not the prettiest color? Like, we are in the era of Barbie and everything pink, and oh, I just want to eat it. It's so cute. So here is what the actual bag looks like. You receive 2 handles, which I love top handle bags, and you receive, let's go ahead and take this, 2 long straps. This is Telfar's signature shopping bag style. I really, truly wish these straps were detachable. Like, I wish they were detachable, but they're not. So you'd have to like tuck them in, which is what I plan to do when wearing this out. I'll show you guys mod shots of me so that way you can see what it looks like on my frame. And it has ridges here on the side. It's very substantial. It's bigger than what I thought. Yeah, I thought it was going to be smaller. This is the medium, but this is a pretty nice size. And then you'll see that the actual logo for Telfar is in 3D right here. And on the back, you'll see their name. Can you guys see that? There. So their name is right here, and then Melissa's right here, showing that you can recycle this bag. And there are ridges to the bottom, so it has feet. I love this, especially because this bag to me is quintessential summertime. So if you're at the beach, if you're at the pool and you want to put your bag down, I just love that it has feet. So yeah, that is really it on the actual bag. It is completely empty and there's no pockets or anything, but I did buy an insert. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what that insert looks like inside this bag. And hopefully that's helpful to somebody else, because that's another thing that I wish that they had, that they offered, were inserts for their bag. Specifically this one, because it's a very unique size. To me, it's like a medium. So it's like a small and a medium combined, and a lot of the inserts stop too low, and I'll show you guys in just a bit, but this is what it looks like. It does have that classic Melissa scent. If you are sensitive to smells, this may bother you a little bit. I can smell it pretty strongly. I'm assuming, you know, because I just took it out the bag, but the longer that you have it, that the scent will go away. But it's actually infused in the PVC. The Melissa scent is like a bubblegum scent, but it is very strong, and I notice it a lot. But I just think that this bag is absolutely beautiful. So let's go into the pricing of this bag. These bags are available in 3 different sizes. The small is 150. This is the medium, that's 200, and the large is 250. They also released shoes that go along with this collaboration, and they are $100. They're little jelly sandals in this beautiful color. So Telfar released this in a clear. It's in this pink, and then we're going to discuss some upcoming colors and some comments that they made on their Instagram page. So I'll give you guys information on that. But this is the lovely bag, and let's go ahead and go to the color options. So in their comments, they let us know that they were going to be releasing some colors. And they're going to be restocking this particular bag. So if you did not get it the first go around, whenever they release that date, make sure you're on their email list, so that way you get notifications of when it's going to drop. How I plan to use this bag, it's so funny that they released it when I'm really done traveling for the summer and my kids are in school. So this probably will get a lot of use next spring and summer, but I think it's a great bag for the beach and also a great bag for the pool. You could definitely fit a beach bag in here, or like a water bottle could easily fit in here. I just have so much space. And I also like that it's pink clear, because you can't see directly into the bag. Like, you can see a little bit, you know, something's going on in there, but you don't see everything. So it does give you a little bit of privacy for your bag. Let's go to the insert that I purchased from Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below in my LTK. So this is the insert that I purchased. And you and I are going to find out together whether or not I got the right size. So, all right, here's our bag. See, these straps are doing the absolute most. All right, so let's open that up. Okay, so here is an insert. I think the color is perfection. And I'm just... It's hard trying to show you guys this as I'm stuffing it, but I will lift it up here in just a second. Okay. So that's what the insert looks like, and I actually don't hate it. I might like it. Yeah, okay. I wasn't certain about it because I like the look of the felt inserts and that they're more square and boxier, more rectangle and boxier. This one, not so much, but because the color is perfect, I actually like it, and I need structure and stability in my bags because I'm always having a lot of things in there. So I need, you know, pockets and things color coordinated so I can easily find things. But with this insert, that is the amount of space, and there are pockets all throughout the bag. There's a zipper, you know, if you want to use this for your keys, and there are also pockets on the exterior of this insert. So I am definitely a fan, and I will go ahead and remove the bags and stuff. I will definitely keep this insert. And like I said earlier, I will have this linked in my like to know it if you are interested in this too. I'm going to take this out so I can give you guys a comparison of the size relative to other handbags that I have. So if you have the Marc Jacobs tote, you will see that this bag is smaller than this one. Also, you'll see the difference in the width, but it's definitely, this bag is smaller. So if you're just thinking of, you know, comparison as far as size goes, if you have the Tory Burch Fleming, which is this bag here, great summer bag, you will also notice that the Telfar one is significantly larger than that too, and width, length, and everything. So let's go over the size of this bag. It was very strange to me on their website. They didn't have length written. It kept saying width, I think, or whatever it said. It didn't have length. So I grabbed my husband's measuring tape so we know exactly what's up. So let's go. Okay, so here is the bag size. So you're looking at, what is that? Looks like about 13 inches in length. And if you're looking for insert, you're not going to want to include these ridges here. So if you're not including the ridges, you are looking at about, I'd say 11 and a half inches. And the height on this specific bag without the straps, so the height on this, you're looking at about 10 inches. If you're not including the ridge, you're looking at about 9 inches. And then the width, I would say it's about 4.25 as far as the width goes. And then if you're not including the ridges, then I would say that it's about 3 inches. There are a couple of key things that I wanted to add and tell you guys just a little bit about the bag. I received my bag. There aren't any scratches on it, not that I can tell. This is a plastic bag. There are handprints on it, but there's nothing that like a little cleaning that wouldn't take care of that. But the actual quality of the bag, like you can see the handprints, but I consider that, you know, part of its charm, and it's nothing that would deter me from actually buying it. But the quality and everything of the bag, this is a very thick and substantial bag, and I think it was definitely worth the price point. But like I said, I don't have any scratches or any flaws on it. There's handprints, but I plan on wiping the bag down, and yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw all of the bag so you know exactly what it would look like if you get one in your possession. And then the last thing that I wanted to share is I took the insert out of my Marc Jacobs tote bag so I can show you guys just the height difference if you were to get one of the boxier felt inserts, because the one I showed you is actually nylon, so I like that. But I'm gonna stick it in here so that way you can see it. So you'll just see there's a bigger gap, and then the sizing, there wasn't one that I saw that would properly fit the length of this bag. So you'll see there's all kinds of additional room on the side. See it better here if I push it to the side. So you'll see all of this here. So that's up to you whether or not you like that style. But for me, I think I personally like the other one that I picked up. So yeah, just wanted to make sure you knew that. All right, guys, for reference, I am about 5'7". I'm a plus size girly. So if you want to see this on my frame and what it would look like, I'm going to back up. Sorry about the quality. It is what it is, but here you go. So here is the bag. If I'm holding it as a top handle bag, this is what it would look like. I love the size of this bag. The straps, if I wanted it on my shoulder, it would look like this. And then it seems big enough. Yeah, it is. So you could even carry this as a crossbody bag. All right, everyone, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, coming back often for more content and helping me reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Let's make this happen, you and me. Let me know what other content that you guys would like to see from me by commenting down below, and be on the lookout because your girl is back on to filming videos and having fun with this channel. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thanks.